Appearing now is the Mousse Rainbow Goddess highlight, which is a wonderful mousse-based highlight with a light rose scent to it that has a interference pigment in it. These will come in 3 different sizes, including the 7-gram jar that I'm demoing now, a half-ounce jar that's for the body, and a sample size so that you can try out the pigment to make sure that you're absolutely in love with it. These will be available in a duo set with the Rainbow Goddess Sparkles, which is just a loose blend of glitter shimmers that are 100% naturally derived, biodegradable shimmer powders. And they can be easily applied just by using your finger or by shaking them onto your face. To demo these products, I used the Mousse Rainbow Goddess highlight with a little bit of Malila Rainbow Goddess Sparkles on top of it. You can use and apply both of these with your fingers or by shaking it out of the jar.